Right?
You gotta intervene.
Grown-up
I'm
stuff.
filming.
Put out this away.
Hey,
No, but the stuff I wanted over there.
It's shiny and pointy. I could conk myself in the head with it. What is she going after?
I don't know. Well, she was interested in this, but probably this. And then she tried to put her hand up here and stand up. Oh, now she's going over there. Oh,
Get that bottle! Yummy bottle! Oh, you frustrate me, bottle! Sweet Pea wants to know what the commotion's about. What's the big deal?
Here,
I can do that.
Here.
Listen to that determination.
Yeah, you got it. You've been wanting to play with that all night. She's crawling, starting today.
Right now.
Which is August
15th.
15th.
Monday. August 15th.
8 months
2011.
and 10 days. She's a brilliant genius. Can't crawl with that in your hand though, can you? She just figured it out. She's playing spin the bottle. Oh, it's pointing at me. That means I get to kiss you. Here, honey.
Does it have a picture of a polar bear on it?
Yeah, it's polar seltzer.
She's hitting the bottle early. That was probably on some factory floor.
Yeah.
Hey, Mommy, maybe you should intervene with an alternate.
How about Sophie?
Awesome. Now I want the bottle.
What if I take it away?
Oh, I know it's still there.
I will cry.